Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset OneDrive in Windows 11. This can be really helpful if you're experiencing sync issues, errors, or if OneDrive just isn't working properly. Resetting it will return everything to its default configuration and often fixes most common problems. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and look for the Start menu. You'll find it at the bottom left part of your screen within your taskbar. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. Once your Start menu has opened, you're going to use the Run app to execute a reset command. In the search bar, type in Run and press Enter. This will bring up the Run dialog box, which is a powerful tool in Windows that lets you execute commands directly. Now, here's where you'll enter the command that actually resets OneDrive. In the Run dialog box, type the following command exactly as I show it. %local app data, %Microsoft, /OneDrive, /OneDrive.exe /reset. Make sure you type this carefully, or feel free to pause the video here so you can copy the command and file directory accurately. This command tells Windows to locate your OneDrive executable file and run it with the reset parameter. Once you've entered the command in your Run dialog box, press Enter. Windows will now process this command and reset your OneDrive application. This means all your OneDrive settings will be returned to their default configuration, which should resolve any sync problems or errors you were experiencing. You might notice the OneDrive icon disappear from your taskbar for a moment, and then it will reappear as the application restarts with fresh settings. And that's it! You've successfully reset OneDrive in Windows 11, and your cloud storage should now be working smoothly again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.